Improve electrical reliability and operational productivity with Asset Performance Management. Asset Performance Management provides visualizations and insights based on data from the electrical assets in your operation. Our solution provides users with actionable information about electrical equipment condition and performance, including aggregated, location-based, and device-specific data. Intelligent alerts identify condition and performance changes, so you can mitigate issues before they cause outages or equipment damage that could lead to downtime and lost productivity. And you can share the right information and reporting across teams and facilities with configurable dashboards, visual displays, and role-based access suitable to all levels of your organization. Asset Performance Management. Electrical reliability for operational productivity. Request a demo or learn more about Asset Performance Management at eaton.com/assetperformancemanagement.